Hey everybody, in our last video we walked you through how to adjust your Elite lacing system to your foot. In this video I'm going to show you how to install a power strap on your Elite lacing system. So let's take a look at the power strap really quick. This is going to be pretty simple. If you open it up, we have loop, we have hook, right, Velcro, we have this little loop on the end of the strap, and what this strap is going to do is go over the front of the front of the ankle and kind of pull back onto the heel strap section of the sandal, giving you more security. So in order to install this, it's good to have your sandals adjusted properly to begin with. But once you've done that, now just undo the heel strap like so, and then I showed you we have those two sides. We want to take the soft suede side of the strap and keep that against the skin. So we go to the insole post, and the rear of the insole post there's this loop. We're going to slip the loop of the power strap over the loop on the insole post. We're going to bring it over the sandal, and now we need to bring this side underneath the outsole post. At this point, go ahead and put the heel strap back on, adjust it to where you like it, like so. Now there's just one more step. We're just going to adjust, like pull, give yourself a nice snug fit but not too tight, and then close the hook and loop, and there you go. You have just installed the power strap. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it was helpful to you. If you have any other questions, please reach out to us at contact@shammasandals.com. Happy trails. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more weekly content. And make sure to click the bell so that you'll be notified every time we post something new.